We're making authentic Nigerian fish roll. Super easy to make and it turned out delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in flour, followed by salt. Next was grated nutmeg, sugar, baking powder, and then I mix until well combined. Now create a space in the middle and go in with softened butter, egg and water. The water, don't add it to it all at once, beat at a time until you've added in all. You do not want a sticky dough. The dough should be in between, not that sticky, not that hard. So that's what you're looking for. That's the consistency you're looking for. Cover it with a cling film and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can go ahead for your filling. So the filling, you can use anything. You can use any fish. You can even use mackerel, but I use sardine. I then added in eggs, which is totally optional. Mix until everything has come together and go in with your vegetables. So in my case, I use red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and red onion. Mix until everything has come together. You can add in carrot as well, and then I added in chili powder, which is totally optional. I went in with salt and then mix until everything has come together. So if you're not a chili lover, you can use black pepper instead of the chili. Keep it aside. In the meantime, you can go ahead and preheat your oil. After, transfer the dough on your work surface and then divide it into smaller pieces. So bring one, roll it in the ball shape on your work surface or in your palm as seen in the video. Bring one out, cover the rest with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. Transfer the one that you took out to your working surface and then roll it as seen in the video. Now brush the edge with water, fold it, and this is very simple, so easy, and trust me, it was delicious, especially when I added the eggs to it. If you want, you can do it without the eggs. So roll it, and then at the edge, brush the edge with just a little bit of water to help seal. Make sure it is sealed well. If not, when frying, it will open and you would not like it. So guys, basically that's it guys. It's very simple. You can even close your eyes and make this. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. So please stay close to it from time to time. Check and give it a quick stir, flip it, and make sure it is cooked until you've got this color. Slight golden brown like this. That means it's ready. Remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on the paper towel. And guys, oh, it was super crispy and it was delicious. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please try and let me know the outcome. Don't forget to share, follow for more videos. Bye bye.